WBA stock analysis and WBA stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Observing Walgreens Boots Alliance stock, this definitely started to pick up. I mean, in a very good amount of 30% almost up for Friday. Like originally looking at this, I saw clean breaks up, and honestly, like since this daily chart started picking up, there's nothing stopping me from potentially taking things up, you know. But let me just look at the weekly. I might actually take that back. I mean, but way beforehand, like it almost took the lows out. But like I'll actually just follow the weekly yet again. I mean, I'm not really. Let me just get rid of this. I'm not really sold out on any, like either the bullish or the bearish side. The price will like really need to sell itself purely by breaking these like this range right now. It's from 1201 to 1050, and whatever I see like a double break with a full candle close on like a 2-hour 4-hour chart, that's what I move with. I'm not gonna like long on the bullish side though, because it's not gonna have enough structure. But here, since it's a supply area and I see a double break, bro, I'm ready to swing to the downside. But again, I want to see my rules met. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.